3D printing has gained popularity, and the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is a notable model. In this review, we'll dive into its features and performance. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus promises to be a reliable 3D printer for hobbyists and professionals. With advancements in technology, it offers various features aimed at enhancing print quality and user experience. But does it live up to its promises? In this review, we will explore its build quality, ease of use, print performance, and additional features. Whether you are new to 3D printing or an experienced user, understanding the capabilities of the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus can help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Let's get started. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus offers impressive print quality and easy setup for beginners. The large build volume is perfect for big projects. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is gaining popularity among 3D printing enthusiasts. This review dives into its features, performance, and overall value. Print quality. The print quality is impressive for its price range. It produces detailed and smooth prints. Consistent layer adhesion ensures a strong and durable finish. Fine-tuning options allow users to achieve the best results. Build and design. The build and design of the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus are solid. It features a sturdy metal frame that minimizes vibrations. The sleek design fits well in any workspace. Cable management is neat and organized, preventing tangles and ensuring safety. Software compatibility. Compatible with several slicing software options. Cura, most popular and easy to use. Simplify 3D, advanced features for expert users. PrusaSlicer offers various settings for fine-tuning. Customer support. Elegoo provides reliable customer support. They offer a responsive help desk and a comprehensive FAQ section on their website. The community forums are also active, providing additional support and tips. Value for money. The Neptune 4 Plus offers great value. It's affordable, yet packed with features, suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The cost-to-performance ratio is excellent, making it a wise investment. This review covers the essentials of the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. It's a well-rounded 3D printer that meets various needs. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus pros and cons. Pros: excellent print quality, high detail, smooth surfaces, strong adhesion. User-friendly, easy setup and use, suitable for beginners. Large build volume, ideal for bigger projects. Cons: no major cons are explicitly mentioned in the provided review. Frequently asked questions. What are the key features of Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus offers a large build volume, a dual-gear extruder, and silent stepper motors for smooth operation. How user-friendly is the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is easy to set up and use, even for beginners. Let me know if you'd like this formatted as a PDF or anything else.